Miss Suffering? I thought I blocked her number. What do you want, Miss Suffering? I thought I blocked you, and how did you even get my number?
I did some digging. Anyways, I just wanted to call you and tell you that I saw your videos online with your classroom. They suck. They're horrible.
No, they don't. You guys do. My class is way better than yours.
Ugh, no way. My class is the best class in the country. My class is the A+ class.
Well, my class is above A class. They're the A++ class.
Ugh, please. That doesn't even exist.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
You guys are probably the Z class all the way at the bottom.
Excuse me, you don't know anything about me and my class. Anyways.
Well, I've been watching your videos and you guys just stink. I'll show you who you boss.
Excuse me? My class doesn't have as many problems as your class does.
Well, you have lots of problems with your class, especially with throwing paper balls.
What? Well, yours spits little spitballs at each other.
No, well, I'm gonna block your number after I hang up. But just to let you know, my class is the best.
Well, at least my class listens to me.
Excuse me?
Yeah, my class listens to me.
You know what? I'm gonna hang up right now, and I will show you who's boss.
Go ahead. Go. She hung up on me. Hello? Hello? How do you work this thing? Hello? Whoa, okay. For school, we're doing arts and crafts. Lame.
What are we making?
A special remote.
Oh, we watch TV then?
Yeah. No. TV rots your brains. No. This is a special project for a special person. Pass me the screwdriver.
Okay.
Duct tape.
Here.
Give me that button right there.
Alright.
Now a little bit of paint.
Here. Okay.
Give me that magnet right there.
Alright.
Pass me that gorilla chin.
Yeah, hit it.
And a banana.
Here.
And I'm hungry. Okay, continue.
There you go.
Give it to me. There we go.
Why is there a V on it?
This is the V4th Power remote. It controls anything that the V4th Power group does, including pausing them and pressing play.
Okay, I'm gonna find out what lab we should do to show Miss Suffering. Microscope. Nah. Let's see. Maybe we should do something. What is that? No. What's this? Nah. I should do a lab with this, even though I don't know what it is, but it's cool. What's in that big box? Is it a human? An animal? No. A shower? Ooh, I can take one. I haven't took one in like a month or two. What should I do? Glue. Slime. Yeah, I will show Miss Suffering once and for all. Hello, class. Get to the lab bench. Miss Suffering thinks that her class is smarter and better than our class, so we're going to be doing a lab to prove that wrong. We're going to be making slime. So let's do it.
Our class is better than Miss Suffering's class. I actually like Miss Suffering.
Traitor. So, I need you to pour in the clear glue, and I will pour in the white glue. Sorry, Jordan, but you have nothing to do. Okay, let's start. Just put those aside. You ready? Let's start pouring.
Let the games begin. Oh, I could just imagine them right now. I wonder what they're doing.
Okay, I think that's enough. What? I can't move! I can't move. No, that's too much.
I can't stop.
Oh my goodness.
No, there's too much
Oh
glue.
my gosh. Why isn't it stopping? I can't move. What's
It's
happening? Jordan, I'm frozen. Help me.
I am frozen too.
Time to press play. Oh man, I haven't laughed this hard since 1949.
Well, it's a shame you laugh now. It's a very ugly laugh.
What in the world just happened? Anyway, now you're gonna pour in your paint and I'm gonna pour in my paint.
Oh, if I was a fly on the wall, I just want to see her face.
Jordan, help us stop this madness. What are you doing?
I'm frozen to death. Really? You gotta help me! My
Slime's gonna be ruined.
Oh, I feel like a little girl again, pranking my 23 siblings. They never knew it was me.
Now we can move again? This is weird. Jordan, stop your madness. What are you doing? What tricks are you playing?
You better not be doing. I'm
Let's
frozen too.
just mix it.
Yeah.
And how are we sure you're frozen? Watch.
Look at this perfect. And then Jordan starts to pause things. Wait, no. I don't know because his hands are free, but I'm confused because we're pausing and I
Yes.
don't know how.
It's not that dark. Ooh, but I don't like this color. I do, but that's not the color I wanted. Okay, I'm gonna add in now some beads. And we only want to add the tiniest bit. What are you gonna add, Naya?
I'm gonna add glitter. Oh, it's glue on it. From the pause. Glitter.
So let's start pouring it in, and we only want a tiny bit.
My enemy is mad. Her class is bad. You see, my remote? Gee, thanks. Just made it.
We did too.
Just made it. By myself.
Jordan, this is a lot of beads.
This is a lot.
You're gonna make me use the whole bag, and it's gone.
Bring it around town. Bring it around town. Ha! I wonder what they're doing now. They're probably tripping over themselves, spilling things, forgetting what question they asked.
Seriously,
What?
what keeps on happening? Let me take some for you.
No.
Man, I want some.
Oh my goodness, what's happening? Now mine looks like a glob. Jordan, if you do that in my class one more time, you're gonna get an F.
But I didn't do anything.
So I'm just gonna add some glitter,
Me too.
and hopefully Jordan doesn't pause it again.
More glitter. More, what's it called?
What?
Yeah.
What are you even saying?
I'm saying this
You know what?
is pretty.
Okay.
And it'll match with my slime.
Finally, Jordan didn't do anything because he would get an F, so it was you. Thanks to you, Jordan, Miss Suffering might be right. After all, you said you liked her. We're gonna add the Titan now.
Hopefully the pausing thing doesn't happen this time.
I'm glad it stopped, Jordan. Okay, let's add it in.
Ha! I can only imagine how mad Miss Bubbs is getting. Just like in elementary school when I used to trick her into eating my chocolate peanut butter sandwiches. But it was mud. Ha! Ha ha! Ha ha ha!
That's too much.
It's gonna be hard. Why does this always happen at the wrong time?
This is too much. This is too much. 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 Way too much. This is too much.
Yeah.
Jordan, you have enough.
No! This is too much.
You wanna try? You wanna try? You wanna stop it! It's my turn.
Now I'm just gonna mix it and
Hopefully this doesn't get too hard.
This is so, oh my gosh, I can tell this is going to be hard because of you.
Wait, what?
Look at this is gonna be hard. No!
No! It might be
And you have an F now, Jordan.
What? It wasn't me though.
Now we're gonna take this out and put it on the bench and see if we can fix this. Jordan, you know what? You have a Z minus, and Z stands for 0.
I'm shocked.
I can't believe this had to happen, Jordan. This is hardened. Why is this so hard now, Jordan? You know what? I'm gonna see if I can fix it by adding in shaving cream. Hopefully this fixes it. And Jordan, if you did something to the shaving cream, you're dead. What did you do? Why is the shaving cream liquid?
I don't know. You didn't shake it probably.
Jordan?
I don't know.
Jordan, did you use it all to shave your beard?
I don't even have a beard. Speechless, but that's all.
Let's see if this could make a bubble.
Probably not. It's probably too hard. No bubble for me.
One bubble, one tiny bubble.
Too tiny.
Let's see how it stretches. 3, 2, 1.
I can just imagine her class messing up everything right now. I always knew her class was the worst one. She's just not a good teacher. She probably wouldn't even know how to handle this situation. She probably wouldn't even know how to make a remote.
No, it's going in her child. No! Jordan, you have a infinity minus. For infinity zeros. Help! No, it's oozing everywhere into her tide. Stop this madness. Stop. It's Jordan.
You see, kids, the lesson here is that life is not fair. Some people will use a remote against you and ruin your life. And so, you just get one step ahead of them and make a remote before they do. Now, peace out and dab, as the kids say.
Jordan.
Just in time. When you say stop, Jordan, you stop. I don't know
Really?
how.
That's how you pronounce it?
It's not me.
Jordan, you made this lab terrible. I'll see you guys tomorrow. But we have to find something else to do. Because of what you did, Miss Suffering might be right. And I'm always right.
What just happened? Well, I guess no homework today.
Awesome! Make sure you read pages 3 to 300 of War of Roses.
Did I block her? Do I even know how to work a phone? Miss Suffering?
Miss Bubbs, how was lab today?
It was you?
In your face! Shut up again. Hello? I need to laugh more.